We have been reflecting back on 1 year of this pandemic. Among other things, central bank accommodation, of course, has increased to support various economies around the globe. The European Central Bank met today, and we heard from Christine Lagarde as Europe reflects on 1 year of this pandemic. And our Oscar Williams-Grut is with us now. And you were just telling us in the break, Oscar, as well, it was 1 year ago that the UK was looking at its budget.
That's right. A year to today, Rishi Sunak presented his first budget as UK Chancellor. And at the time, he announced £30 billion, which was meant to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. Now, of course, looking back, that looks trifling. The UK has so far spent around 280 billion on coronavirus interventions and is on track for a 400 billion pound budget deficit. Now, today, as you said, we heard from the European Central Bank on what they are planning in response to the pandemic. They left the interest rate unchanged and held all their monetary policy instruments as is. But the big update came in the form of the speed of their pandemic emergency purchase program, the bond buying program they announced last year. They said they're going to significantly speed that up to counter some of the sell-off we've seen in government bonds over the last couple of weeks. Now, this spurred Italian stocks after the sell-off there was one of the worst hit countries across the Eurozone. The Italian FTSE MIB was up 1% today. But Christine Lagarde insisted this was not about targeting yield control. She said this is all about maintaining favorable financing conditions to underpin the recovery. Elsewhere, we have seen a limited stock market action, and the euro, which was trading higher against the pound and the dollar earlier in the session, has come off its intraday highs.
Oscar, thank you very much. Appreciate it. We'll be continuing to watch any sort of reaction to the ECB.